Good afternoon. I'm coming to you from Gulfport, Mississippi. We are here for another Amtrak station tour. If you're new to the channel, my name is Dan. I'm on a mission to visit every Amtrak station in America, and I'm going to start walking this way because I think I hear a train coming. So I'm walking fast towards the platform over here. I'm going to give you a platform tour like always, but I'm walking kind of quick. I've got some other stuff I was going to show, but my plans have kind of changed because I think I hear a train coming. I don't see it, but I hear a train horn. Alright, so while we're waiting for our train to arrive, let's show you guys the platform. So this is the platform here. We've got a sign down here that says Amtrak. I actually saw this sign from the Mardi Gras train. It says Amtrak, Gulfport, Mississippi, 1898, anchored in excellence. And then we've got our Gulfport sign up here. And then this building that's here is actually the Gulfport Museum of History. I don't know if it's open or not. We'll go check that out in just a minute and see if we can get inside there. But this is our platform. You see, this is part of the older platform, pre-Katrina days probably, the concrete. Now they've added these aluminum ones to all the stations. I heard a train. Now I'm not hearing it, and I don't see. I can see pretty far in this direction. I don't see nothing, so we may just have to do some running back and forth. We'll see. All right, so here's another one of our signs. Here's the wheelchair lift right here. I hear the train again, so it sounds like it's coming. It's getting louder. But here's our wheelchair lift, locked up and tied down. There's a parking garage here, and it's free. It doesn't cost anything. I don't know if you're allowed to park there for Amtrak purposes, but I don't see why not at the same time. So that's something, if you're going to be taking the train out of here, you're going to want to research to see, is it something you can take or do, you know? Alright, here comes our CSX train. 4229. He's stopping. And it's already cleared too, because you can see the end of the train's just down here. But he's creeping and crawling now.
He must be getting full in the hole. Another train coming.
Oh, okay. Thing's going so slow you can hop on almost. Alright, so this is the Gulfport Museum of History. I don't know if this is open or not. I'm guessing it's not. Yeah, this looks like the old. Yeah, it's completely locked. But it is, this is the station in here. You can see the benches inside. There's like a history museum off on the right hand side. Stinks this stuff is closed. We literally planned our trip to come, so this kind of stuff would be open on a weekday, and they got it all closed down. Maybe it's because it's a holiday weekend, maybe. I don't know. Alright, so where we saw that freight train pass through, there is a cross-section track right here that it crossed over. I'm not sure where those tracks go. I'm guessing these tracks that go this way go towards the Gulf, because we did see train cars out in the Gulf at like a business out there. So So I'm guessing that's where those go. Oh, here it is. Okay, so this brewery company, Chandelier Brewing Company, this brewery is actually opened in Pascagoula, which that video will be coming in just a couple weeks, so stay tuned for that one. Inside Pascagoula's train station, they're actually building another Chandelier Brewing Company, and it's not open yet, and you can actually see the brew tanks and everything through the windows of the train station. That'll be opening up at some point, I believe in 2026, from what I read. So that's a good place to hop off and do whatever you got to do. And then here's a private crossing, no trespassing. Obviously look and listen, because there's nothing's gonna go ding 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 when you walk across it. And it's a cute little downtown area right here. Like, you can see, I don't know what this old holding thing was for here. Maybe there used to be benches under there to sit. And you see there's a cute little downtown buildings here, the brewery. And then when you go back over this way, there's more of the downtown. We'll actually do a quick little drive through there and show you some of that footage as well. And then they've got a little pavilion up here.
And up here in the front is Historical Society of Gulfport, Mississippi, and the front of the Gulfport Museum of History entrance, which, like I said, is closed today. Let's just take you guys for a quick drive around the area so you can see what there is. Fishbone Alley is right over there. Let's go see.
this is going to wrap up our quick visit here to the Amtrak station here in Gulfport, Mississippi. What did you guys think of this one? I'm glad we caught a freight train going by. We actually met an interesting gentleman that was teaching us some history of the trains, and he actually knew everything about where we live down in Florida. He knew all the roads and everything. He said he had hopped trains all over America. He'd been everywhere. It's kind of cool. It's kind of something different, you know. It's not necessarily legal, but it's kind of cool. It's one of those things that you have in the back of your head when you're a kid. I used to have those thoughts, like, why couldn't I just hop a train and go somewhere? You know, it's kind of cool. I guess that's why I've always been fascinated with trains. If you enjoyed this station tour, make sure you check out our playlist. Make sure you subscribe, hit that notification bell so you're notified every time we upload a new video. Thanks so much for watching, guys. So stay safe on the rails. Safe travels, everybody, and we will see you soon.